Attention! This herb is more powerful than garlic. 850 times more. Thyme is a member of the mint family and comes in many different varieties. While it is only one plant, the oil content obtained from it shows certain differences depending on the area and the location where it occurs. The potent microbial properties of some oils are safe to use in most cases, but some of them are not. For example, the Thymus cordovulus. Linalool is the safest for beginners, including children and older adults. Other chemotype, such as the Thymus vulgaris carvacrol cort, Cort vulgaris, Tujanol, and Cort vulgar thymus. Thymol should be used under the supervision of qualified aromatherapy. Thyme is most commonly used in aromatherapy, but should be used sparingly. Thyme possesses an antiseptic, antispasmodic, antibiotic, antiviral, fungicidal, bactericidal and expectorant properties, which make it capable of killing microbes, strengthen the immune system, helping the body eliminate toxins, increase resistance to foreign organisms, and promote the formation of white blood cells. Its name derives from the Greek word thymos, meaning perfume, so it's no wonder its aroma is so powerful and penetrating. Treatment of respiratory infections is one of the most common uses of thyme. Being an effective lung disinfectant, it is beneficial for sore throat, cough, asthma, whooping cough, bronchitis, laryngitis, and chest, throat and nose infections. Inhale thyme oil to treat infections such as chest or nose infections, and use mouthwash or toothpaste for infections of the mouth and gums. After a study conducted in Germany, most researchers now believe that the secret of cough medicines is in the local action of essential oil in the respiratory tract. Growing evidence suggests that essential oils function as expectorants and increase the secretion of mucus to relieve dry cough. It is recommended to inhale small amounts, as too strong provides the opposite effect.